Our planet, a marvel of life and beauty, is facing a grave threat. Human actions are harming the very environment that sustains us. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, the signs of damage are all around us. We are polluting our oceans and rivers, filling them with plastic and chemicals. We are cutting down forests at an alarming rate, destroying habitats for countless species. Our factories and vehicles release harmful gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and warming the planet. The consequences of our actions are becoming increasingly dire. We are witnessing more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and the extinction of countless species. This is a crisis that affects us all, but there is still hope. We can change our ways and create a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. It is time to act, and time to act now.
Pollution is one of the most visible and immediate threats to our planet. Every day we produce vast amounts of waste, much of which ends up polluting our environment. Plastic waste in particular is a growing problem. It clogs our oceans, harms marine life, and takes hundreds of years to decompose. Air pollution is another major concern. Factories, power plants, and vehicles release harmful gases and particles into the atmosphere, causing respiratory problems and other health issues. In many cities around the world, the air is so polluted that it is dangerous to breathe.
Pollution is not just an environmental problem, it is a human problem too. It affects our health, our well-being, and our quality of life. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and invest in cleaner sources of energy.
Forests are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are home to countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Yet we are destroying these vital ecosystems at an alarming rate. Deforestation is driven by a number of factors, including agriculture, logging, and mining. As forests are cleared, habitats are destroyed, species are driven to extinction, and the delicate balance of our planet is disrupted.
The loss of forests also contributes to climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and when they are cut down, this carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating the greenhouse effect.
Section 4. Climate change, a looming threat. The Earth's climate is changing, and human activities are the primary cause.
The burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas, releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and cause the planet to warm.
The consequences of climate change are far-reaching. We are already seeing more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. Sea levels are rising as glaciers and ice caps melt, threatening coastal communities. Climate change is a global problem that requires a global solution.
We need to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to cleaner sources of energy, such as solar and wind power. We also need to adapt to the changes that are already happening and prepare for the future.
Section 5. Turning the tide, embracing a greener future. Despite the challenges we face, there is still hope for our planet.
We have the power to turn the tide and create a healthier, more sustainable future. It starts with each of us making changes in our daily lives, however small they may seem.
We can reduce our carbon footprint by using public transport, cycling, or walking instead of driving. We can conserve energy by turning off lights when we leave a room and using energy-efficient appliances.
We can reduce our waste by recycling, composting, and choosing products with less packaging. We can also support organizations that are working to protect our planet, such as those fighting deforestation, promoting renewable energy, and cleaning up our oceans.
Section 6. Every little bit counts. The task before us may seem daunting, but remember that every little bit counts. Every action we take, no matter how small, can make a difference.
By working together, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Choose to live a more sustainable life. Choose to reduce your impact on the planet.
Choose to be a part of the solution. The future of our planet is in our hands. Let's make it a future we can all be proud of.